Hello, what's up guys? So welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to unboxing this new webcam that I was bought in Lazada. So before we begin, make sure that you will subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will notify if I have videos upload. So guys, let's roll the intro. So finally, i-unbox na natin. So this is the actual box. So papakita ko lang. Magit lang siya. So i-unbox natin at saka i-test yung quality ng cam niya. So make sure that you will stay in this video until then para makita natin kung quality na talaga yung cam niya. So also, the good thing is, may microphone na siya. It comes with noise cancelling reduction. So, 2-in-1 na po itong webcam na to. So, as you can notice na maingay yung background ko. May manok na tumatahol at saka may asong pumuputak-putak. So, tingnan natin, ititest out natin to. So, let's start. So, bubuksan ko na siya guys. So by the way, this is the laptop that are we going to use. So nakababura pa siya. So, safe po yung item natin. So, ano pa naman? May manual siya guys. So, paano gamitin. So, tingnan natin yung item. Color black lang meron. So, this is the actual item. As you can see, maganda siya. Tsaka, USB type po siya. Ipa-plug mo lang diretso sa laptop or sa desktop. So, try natin i-connect, no? So, para malaman natin yung quality ng cam. So, let's go guys. So, let's test the Hello, welcome back guys. So this is the setup of my default cam on my laptop. So as you can see, low quality po siya. I blown out yung right side. So papatayin ko yung So pag walang ilaw, yan yung kuha ng cam ng laptop ko. So low quality talaga siya. Mapapabili ka talaga ng webcam kasi yung kuha ng laptop mo ay nako, hindi pwede kung sige, on natin yung ilaw. So change natin yung kulay. So maybe this one I prefer. Okay, so switch na natin yung webcam na binili natin, na sinet up natin sa laptop natin. So switch natin para makita nyo kung garantisado ba yung quality. Sige, switch ko na. So hello guys, so ito na yung kuha ng webcam natin na sinet up natin sa laptop natin. So as you can see now, it's better than the default cam of my laptop. So and the good thing here is it have built-in microphone. So it has a noise cancelling. So i-reduce niya yung ingay sa labas. Yun ang kagandahan nito. So sulit talaga yung babayaran mo dito. So yung quality niya, okay siya talaga. So if you are using your default cam on your laptop, so why not you try this webcam. So mura naman, saka may microphone siya na it has noise cancelling. So try natin yung microphone sa laptop ko para confirm natin yung microphone ng laptop ko dun sa microphone ng webcam. So, switch natin yung microphone ng laptop ko. So, ito na yun guys. So, yung microphone na ginagamit ko is ng laptop ko. So, as you can hear, may mga manok na maingay sa labas. Ayun. So, switch natin sa microphone ng webcam. Balik natin ulit. So, this is the microphone on the webcam that we had set up. So as you can hear na better talaga sa default sa laptop natin yung microphone saka yung camera niya. So that's all for today guys, and thank you for watching and see you into my next vlog.